Welcome to our channel UK Visa and Immigration Updates. In today's video, we will talk about the following. 1. What is visa curtailment? 2. Reasons for visa curtailment. 3. Consequences of visa curtailment. 4. Options after visa curtailment. What is visa curtailment? Visa curtailment occurs when UKVI decides to cancel or shorten your visa before its stated expiry date. This action can have serious implications for visa holders, potentially disrupting studies and plans suddenly. Here's an in-depth look at visa curtailment, the reasons behind it, and how to respond if you receive a curtailment notice. Reasons for visa curtailment include: loss of sponsor. For instance, if your sponsor's license being revoked. Breach of visa conditions, such as working more hours than allowed or engaging in prohibited activities. Withdrawal from studies. Lack of engagement or withdrawal from course can lead to curtailment. Provision of false information. Discovery of false information or documents during the visa application process. Criminal activity. Conviction of a serious criminal offense or being a persistent offender. Public good. If your presence in the UK is deemed not conducive to the public good based on your conduct, character, or associations. Visa curtailment letter from the Home Office. When UKVI decides to curtail your visa, they will send an email or letter of curtailment. This letter will explain the reason for the decision, the new expiry date of your leave, and the deadline by which you must leave the UK. Typically, the deadline is 60 days, though this period can be adjusted under certain circumstances, such as in cases of bereavement. It is important to ensure you receive this letter. If you have not received it, possibly due to a change of home address or email ID, contacting an immigration solicitor to liaise with the Home Office is advisable. The effective date of curtailment and your remaining leave period are calculated from the date on the letter, so timely action is essential. Consequences of visa curtailment. Failure to comply with the curtailment notice can lead to overstaying, which has severe repercussions, including potential future re-entry bans or visa application refusals. Therefore, understanding your options and taking prompt action is critical. Options after visa curtailment. If you wish to remain in the UK after receiving a curtailment notice, several options may be available to you. 1. Submitting an error correction request. If you believe UKVI made a mistake in curtailing your visa, you can submit an error correction request. This request must include your name, date of birth, and nationality, the Home Office reference number, a detailed explanation of why the decision was incorrect. This request must be submitted within 14 calendar days. In exceptional or compassionate circumstances, such as a serious medical condition, you may also request additional time to remain in the UK. 2. Appealing the decision. In some cases, you may have the right to appeal the curtailment decision. The curtailment letter will specify if you have this right and outline the appeal process. 3. Switching to another visa. If you are given a notice period to leave the UK, you may apply to switch to another visa, provided you meet the relevant requirements. For instance, you might switch to apply for a new student visa if your curtailment was due to reasons beyond your control, like your education provider losing their sponsorship license, or health problems interrupting your studies. A family visa, such as a spouse visa, if you got a partner who is British, settled or got refugee status. Apply for a parent visa if you got a child who is British, settled, refugee, or has lived in the UK for 7 years. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get timely notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.